Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is a recipe to prepare paneer with cauliflower and mushrooms in this, and this is a quick, a simple, also a easy recipe. So let's get started. Take a pan and heat it. Spread some oil in it, or you can use ghee. Let it get heated up. Once it's heated up, add paneer in this. Use a good thick paneer for this so that it doesn't break, and I've cut it into 1-inch cubes. So if required, add some more oil in this. So add some oil for the seasoning and add onions finely chopped. So all the ingredients that I've used in this recipe and the quantity, I'll be mentioning it down in the description box so you can refer to that. So add some ginger garlic paste and give it a nice good mix. After which we are going to add some tomatoes finely chopped and mix it well. Add some salt. So cook it for quite some time and then add some kasuri methi, which is dry fenugreek leaves. So adding these herbs will add to flavor and taste. Also add some turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Add the cauliflower in this. So these are small cut florets of cauliflower. So give it a nice good mix. Toss it well and add some water. Cover it and let it cook for some time. So just have a check whether it's cooked. And once it's cooked, we are adding the mushrooms. So depending on the taste and the spice that you require, add the required quantity of red chilli powder. So I have added some more quantity of red chilli powder and added some garam masala. So mix it well. And mushrooms do not take much time to cook. They get cooked very quickly. So after which we are going to add some cream in this, fresh cream, and give it a nice good mix. So add some salt to taste. So once we give it a nice good seasoning and make a nice good masala, it's time to add in the paneer. Add in some mixed herbs. So all the products that I've used in this video, I'll be providing the link to the products in the description box, so you can refer to that and also make a purchase. So garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So this makes this dish so tasty and so delicious with all the herbs added, spices, and also the cream. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. So subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of such interesting recipes on my channel.